Right now, someone is about to make a decision that will cost them years of financial progress, not because they are unintelligent, not because they lack information, but because they never took 30 minutes to understand what Bitcoin actually is. They bought the hype, they sold the dip, and they blame the market for their losses. The silent killer in crypto is not volatility. It is operating with incomplete understanding. When you do not know what you own, your emotions become the decision maker, and emotions, statistically, always lose to the investor who knows the fundamentals. Today, we fix that. No noise, no hype, just signal. Bitcoin is not a stock. It is not a company. It is a decentralized, deflationary, mathematically governed monetary network. Let us break that down with precision. First, the blockchain. Every transaction ever made on Bitcoin is recorded in a public, immutable ledger, verified by thousands of nodes worldwide. No bank, no government, no single point of failure. This is not just an opinion, it is a data-driven fact. According to Glassnode's network health metrics, Bitcoin has maintained over 99.98% uptime across its entire operational history. Second, scarcity by design. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. This is encoded into the protocol itself. Compare that to fiat currency, where money supply expands at will. The halving mechanism, occurring every 210,000 blocks, cuts the new supply of Bitcoin in half. Historically, each halving cycle has preceded a significant appreciation phase. On-chain data from CryptoQuant confirms that long-term holders, wallets holding Bitcoin for over 155 days without moving consistently, accumulate during bear markets and distribution phases. This is smart money behavior made visible. Your amygdala, the brain's fear center, triggers a cortisol surge during price drops. This is the biological mechanism that makes you sell at the worst possible moment. Understanding Bitcoin's fundamentals is literally your neurological defense system. Now, let us dismantle the most dangerous myth circulating in retail crypto communities today. The myth: Bitcoin's price can be predicted by chart patterns and technical indicators alone. This is demonstrably false. Price charts record what already happened. They are a rear-view mirror, not a windshield. A head and shoulders pattern on a daily chart means nothing if a macro liquidity event or a whale wallet movement overrides it entirely. This is not just an opinion, it is a data-driven fact. Santiment's behavioral analytics show that retail sentiment peaks measured by social volume and weighted sentiment scores consistently align with local price tops. In other words, when everyone is euphoric, the distribution phase has already begun. The crowd is always the last to know. What actually moves Bitcoin price? Exchange net position change, long-term holder supply shock ratios, minor capitulation signals, macro dollar liquidity cycles. These are the signals that matter. Everything else is noise dressed as intelligence. Here is your 3-step framework. Apply this before your next trade decision. Step 1. The 5% exposure rule. Never allocate more than 5% of your total investable net worth to any single crypto asset. This is not timidity. This is mathematics. A 70% drawdown on 5% of your portfolio is a 3.5% total loss survivable. A 70% drawdown on 40% of your portfolio is a 28% total loss, potentially catastrophic. Step 2. The on-chain verification check. Before every significant buy decision, open Glassnode or CryptoQuant. Check 3 metrics: exchange inflow volume, long-term holder net position change, and the MVRV Z-score. If all 3 signal accumulation territory, your conviction has data backing. If they diverge, wait. Step 3. The 4 8-hour emotional circuit breaker. Implement a mandatory 4 8-hour delay between any emotional impulse to buy or sell and the actual execution of that trade. Research from behavioral finance confirms that emotional urgency in trading is inversely correlated with outcome quality. If the opportunity is real, it will still be there in 48 hours. If it disappears, you just avoided a trap. Here is the truth that no one in crypto wants to say out loud. The people who will build generational wealth through Bitcoin are not the fastest traders. They are not the most aggressive risk takers. They are the most informed, the most patient, the most systematic. This is not just an opinion, it is a data-driven fact. Chainalysis data consistently shows that wallets employing dollar-cost averaging over multi-year periods outperform active trading strategies. In the vast majority of measured cycles, investing is not a sprint toward a jackpot. It is a marathon of compounding decisions, each one grounded in understanding, not emotion. You now know what Bitcoin is. You know how its supply works. You know how smart money behaves. And you know how to protect yourself from the most expensive enemy in markets, your own untrained instincts. Use that knowledge, not just today, every single time you feel the urge to react instead of think. This is TagojaX. We do not chase price. We understand it. TagojaX.